How to remove the camera shortcut icon from iPhone's lock screen. Removing the camera shortcut icon from iPhone's lock screen is fairly simple. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. Removing your camera icon from iPhone's lock screen is very simple. So here I can see my camera icon, and strangers can actually access my camera without having to unlock my phone just by using that. Maybe or maybe not, you do not like this setting. But we can always remove the camera icon from here by just long pressing on it and then going to this editing screen and going to customize. Select lock screen, and you can tap the minus icon next to camera there. It'll get removed. You can either keep it empty and tap on done button, but you can also tap the plus icon there and you can replace it with any of the other shortcuts. In this case, I'll just keep camera back again because I was only showing for the sake of the video. This is how you can remove camera icon from my phone's lock screen. If you have any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.